In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the corrupted game files on Steam. First thing I suggest you do is you click up here and you go to settings. In here you want to find downloads and you want to clear your download cache. After that, head to storage, click here and repair your library. Once you've done that, you want to close it down, go to your library and find the game that you're having trouble with. Now let's just choose a random game. Let's say you're having trouble with Counter-Strike. What you want to do is right click on it, properties, installed files, and you want to verify integrity of game files. Now after you've done that, you want to check if it works. If it still doesn't work for some reason, what we can do is we can try and allow Steam through our firewall. So come here and search for firewall, allow an app or feature, change settings, click anywhere and press S, then check if you have Steam in here. If you have it, you want to tick this one, you want to tick this one, and you want to tick this one. So all three are ticked. If you have multiple Steam, that's fine as well. Just do the same for all of them. If you don't see Steam in here, however, what you want to do is search for Steam down here, right click, open file location, and then right click and open file location again, and you should find the steam.exe. You want to click up here, not on these, but just on the bar, Control C, then come over here and allow another app, browse, click up here and Control V and press enter. Now you should be in here and you want to select steam.exe. Add it in here and it should be in here. Then you just want to check these boxes. Now if this still doesn't work for some reason, what you can do is you can go back to your Steam folder, and in here you want to go to Steam apps. Now from in here you should have a downloading folder, and what we want to do is we want to close down Steam completely. So search for Task Manager, go to Details, click anywhere and press S, and look for Steam, steam.exe, end task, and these should also end. Then once we've done that, we want to come back to our Steam apps, find downloading, rename, and add something after. It can just be a number or anything, just so it changes the name. Then you want to try and open up Steam again and see if it works. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.